Alright, so we're going to be talking about the sodium potassium ATPase pump. There's a few steps in there, it's super simple. All it's going to be doing is you're going to hydrolyze ATP, it's going to allow 3 sodium outs and allow 2 potassium in. At that point, there's going to be a change from V1 to V2. After that, there's going to be another configuration change, one just the phosphates left. And then 2Ks are going to be coming out, going back in the cell, 3 NAs are going to be going back out. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Alright, let me show you a little video so you can figure this thing out.
Hi! Today's tutorial is about the sodium-potassium pump. This form of primary active transport maintains the resting membrane potential, or RMP. The sodium-potassium pump binds 3 sodium ions and a molecule of ATP in the V1 configuration. The hydrolysis of ATP to ADP, an inorganic phosphate, provides the energy to change the shape of the channel from V1 to V2 as ADP is released. The sodium ions are driven through the channel. The sodium ions are released to the outside of the membrane, and the new shape of the channel allows 2 potassium ions to bind. Release of the phosphate allows the channel to revert to its original V1 form, releasing the potassium ions on the inside of the membrane, so the process can begin again.
So that video help you guys out? Alright, I got something a little bit different. Try this video and see if we can break it down for you.
How can I explain it? I'll take you frame by frame it. Have y'all jumping, shall we pumping it? Na is for sodium, K for potassium.
Primary active transport, well, that's not that simple. It's sort of like another way to set the cell's gradient. 5 little ions that are moving here. You need an ATP to pump the ions that are moving in. Seems I gotta start to explain it.
Pump it. You need an ATP and 3 Na to start the flow. You hydrolyze that ATP and now it's time to go. From V1 to V2, the channel is changing new. The sodium release join the outside crew.
It's not a front, after the R to the O to the E to the T. It's just potassium time to flow. It's 2 binding. It's NAKP, tell potassium to get it. Those are the start. Tell phosphate gonna leave it.
How many brothers out there notice what I'm getting at? V1, pump V2, 2K, welcome back. That's NAKP, now just repeat it. And if you don't, here's your death certificate.
Down with NAKP?
Yeah, you know me. I goes 3 NA, yeah, you know me. Bring it 2K, yeah,